Hello kids! Do you know what is a farm? A farm is like a big outdoor playground for animals and plants. It's a place where farmers grow yummy fruits and vegetables and they take care of animals on the farm. Farms are where our food comes from and they are full of interesting things to see and explore. Now let's see what are farm animals. Farm animals are animals that live on a farm and help people in different ways. Here are some farm animals you might see. The first one is the cows. Cows are big and have 4 legs. They give us milk which we use to make cheese and ice cream. They go moo moo. The next animal is the horse. Horses are tall and strong. People can ride on their backs and they love to run fast. They help with pulling weights on the farm. Horses go neigh neigh. The next one is the chickens. Chickens are small birds with feathers. They lay eggs that we eat for breakfast. Chickens go cluck cluck. The next one is the sheep. Sheep have fluffy coats of wool. People shear their wool to make warm clothes. Sheep go ba ba. The next one is the ducks. Ducks are birds that like to swim in ponds. They have webbed feet for swimming. Ducks are like farm special helpers, eating bugs and insects that can harm crops and laying eggs which can be collected and used for food. Ducks go quack quack. The next farm animal is the goat. Goats have horns on their heads. They like to climb and eat leaves. Goats give yummy milk that can be turned into cheese and yogurt, which we can enjoy. Goats go ba ba. The next farm animal is the donkey. Donkeys are strong animals. They have big ears and go hee-ho. They help carry things on the farm. These animals live on the farm and help farmers with their work. Now let's see how do we get milk. Milk comes from cows. Cows eat grass and hay to stay healthy and happy. They have a big tummy where the milk is made, just like how we have tummies to store our food. Everyday kind farmers take care of the cows. They use special machines to gently and lovingly collect milk from the cows. The cows don't mind at all. It's like a cozy massage for them. After that, the milk is taken to a clean place and it's put into bottles. These bottles go to the store where we can buy it to drink, make yummy cereal and even ice cream and cheese. Now let's see how do we get eggs. Eggs come from chickens. Chickens are special birds that lay eggs. They need a cozy place called a nest to lay their eggs in. Every day farmers take care of the chickens and make sure they have a safe and comfy place to live. When a chicken is ready, it lays an egg in its nest. It's like a surprise gift from the chicken. The farmers collect the eggs from the nest very gently. They clean the eggs and put them in cartons. These cartons go to the store where we can buy the eggs to cook and eat, like scrambled eggs or delicious omelets. So kids, this was all about farm animals. Now let's play a guessing game. Look at the pictures and guess which farm animal is it and what is its sound. Ready? Here is the first picture for you. Guess the animal and sound. It is a duck and it says quack quack. Okay, now the second picture for you. Guess the animal and sound. It is a horse and it says neigh. Now the third picture for you. Guess the animal and sound, kids. It is a sheep and it says ba ba. So I hope you liked the video. For more educational and informative videos, like and subscribe to our channel Future Champs Kids TV right now.